Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this FreeCAD guide for 2026, I'll show you how to edit existing models in FreeCAD. Whether you're correcting dimensions, modifying features, updating designs, or making improvements to an older project, FreeCAD gives you several ways to edit and refine your models. So let's get started. First, launch FreeCAD and open the project containing the model you want to edit. Once the file loads, take a moment to review the model and identify the specific changes you need to make. Next, look at the model tree on the left side of the interface. This tree contains all the bodies, sketches, features, and operations used to create the model. One of FreeCAD's biggest advantages is its parametric design workflow, which allows you to edit earlier steps without rebuilding the entire model. Be sure to save your project regularly while making changes. It's also a good idea to create backup versions before making major edits to important designs. Once you're satisfied with the updated model, perform a final review and confirm that all dimensions, features, and design requirements have been met. And that's how to edit existing models in FreeCAD. By taking advantage of FreeCAD's parametric design system, you can quickly modify and improve your projects without starting from scratch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.